I realized that I lost my sunglasses. So luckily there's like a Flying Tiger store just around the corner, and I was able to buy these new sunglasses. And I also got to say, this is a very nice city. It's a shame that I'm staying here for only like one more night, because tomorrow I'm going to Marseille. And after that I have no idea where I'm going in all honesty in France. But you know, we'll see. Just gonna enjoy my stay here first. Okay, we're nearly there, guys. I can hear the waterfall already. That was very nice and also very refreshing. Okay, so that was definitely worth it in my opinion. Now I'm gonna go down to the beach to check that out, because Nice is also famous for its beach, apparently. I don't usually like the beach, but then again, I'm here now, so might as well just check it out. Okay, I've seen everything that I wanted to see, and now it's time to go back to the hostel and edit some pictures.